Maayong hapon, someone.
Welcome.
Again, welcome. Yes, this is our second episode, and we're still here at Gorian Beach Resort.
Welcome to MMPA Trip Vlog.
Yes.
Okay, so this is our
What we had last time.
actually this is our first day here, and we would like to invite everyone to be here. If in case they would like to have a vacation, so it's very nice.
The place is so
We
nice.
went to
Aguinid.
Aguinid Falls. Yeah.
Yes, that's very
Eh, ba mo sa nahitabo? Of course.
Wala pa.
So, wala pa.
Wala pa makahibaw. We will tell you what we had.
Unsay nahitabo?
Okay. Unsa may nindot dito nga kinahanglang adtuon sa mga turista or sa mga sama nato mga bakasyon ay.
Everybody knows nga ba sa falls, tublog yun siya. Diba? And naka-dare yun taog ka na, we call bikini. I'm sorry. And then, supposed to be, Coach G don't want to be, maligo. Kaso lang, na may red tide. Pero, you know what? Nasuya agad siya. So that's it. What
Now
you do?
I'm so wet.
What you did? Sorry. Naligyo dyan siya. And then, nag-ambak
water is so nice. So,
kaya nasuya na siya sa mga...
Okay, ang water, fresh ang water,
Yes.
and
Yeah,
the
limpyo
falls is
po siya.
so very nice.
Yes.
And the people there were so helpful in kanang climbing the
Very
stairs,
accommodated. Yeah, kung affordable sa ang entrance fee.
Kaya wala mo siya 10 pesos.
10 pesos, but the exit is 1,000 pesos.
Joke!
Joke lang. Ila na, April Fool's Day. Okay? And what else, of course, Coach Junde. Tell me your experience. Come on.
Wow, my experience sa na falls.
Ang falls.
Aguinid Falls.
Ang falls. Spell falls.
Nag-jump sa falls.
First time.
Na-conquer na nako akong fear nga mag-jump og mga usa ka ruler.
Ay, over.
Usa ka ruler.
Actually, Coach Jade man don't want us to ambak-ambak. Pero,
He wasn't there, man, at that time.
Yes.
That's why.
very good thing. Wala si Coach Jade ato, diba?
Oh my God.
Ambak na tayo. Okay, continue, Coach Jun.
Mao wala si Sir Jade ato, okay? Nagatiman siya sa mga tulo ka iro.
Our babies!
They came with us.
Nag-vacation sila.
Oh, yeah, nag-swim sila, nag-struggle si Chewie.
And then,
They're
don't
having their
forget,
training,
after, dapat uuwi na tayo, and then suddenly, may photoshoot na naganap.
Oh my God, how exciting.
Who's gonna tell the story?
You!
Okay,
Us.
Ikaw yung artista doon.
Okay,
let's
quiet,
start.
quiet,
Okay,
quiet.
now, we're supposed to go home, but then suddenly when I turn my head, like that,
Turn my head like
yes, of course, and then the guy with
Who's the guy?
the guy with the nice, the SLR. Wow, and he said,
Superpower zone.
Mom, and I said, oh, come on, join me here.
Oh,
But then, nalupigan mo ko sa beauty sa ni, ginatawag na mo ni Coach Sheila. She's our coach in modeling. So everybody was just staring at us. It was like amazing. It's like amazing.
amazing talaga. Amazing.
Since na may mga Amerikano, di ba?
Churva good ilahan.
But they didn't. Wala gid sila ni stand out. Only us. And also, ni stand out gid akong beauty. Yeah, char-char lang na siya. Okay? You know na, basta si Melay, mugawas gid. Okay?
Ikaw talaga, Melay.
Yes, and then now we're,
So much for that.
so much for that.
After sa ato ang photo shoot, so
Yeah, we went home na kay.
nibalik
We
ta.
had to eat our lunch.
Yes, because it's very hungry.
Alam, lunch day to. Abi na ko, snacks lang to.
Actually, snacks and siya dapat lunch.
Yeah, okay. And now, after that, kay...
Nakapag siya continuation of
I know. Okay, Ma'am Burns, since you're part of our... She's our sponsor. Ma'am Burns. Please,
What would you like to say, Ma'am Burns?
tell us about the everything here and what else that we will be amazed in this place. Okay. Come on,
So much
Miss Burns.
more for the
diba?
Yes.
Sana sa susunod na mga whole week pa, diba? Libre na naman tayo ulit. Ma'am Brings,
unsa pa na-address
by the director.
ay,
unsa pa na-address sa Sambuan.
manindot nga place sa Sambuan nga. Ang ngayon jud balik-balikan.
Mountains.
Mountains. Wow.
we will go
Sa
there.
inyo hang
One day hope that on Saturday we can go mountains.
Alright. Mountain climbing.
What else, ma'am? Mag-crawling pa.
Not na.
Mag-cooking.
And more food. More food.
Yeah. Actually, the beaches here are nice. Yeah. Don't interrupt because I'm talking. I love you, Coach June.
Yeah, I love it too. I love the beaches.
Yung feel na taon.
Yeah, we have video kit tonight.
Oh my God!
Last na niya. Last na niya. Abangan na po ang next episode of
Yes.
our
Mag-video kayo
Chika Chika.
daw.
Chika next.
Bye.